All right, unfulfilled orders. You may have orders that are taking too long to fulfill. Here's how you can drill in on those with a Mesa workflow. This one is going to wait 2 days after an order is placed and check to see, is that order fulfilled? If the order is not fulfilled, we're going to sound those alarms in Slack. We're going to send a Slack notification. Let some people know this order is still not fulfilled. Let's get this thing fulfilled. Maybe you want to wait 2 days. Maybe you want to wait 3 days. One thing to keep in mind when testing this, is this the advanced option on the delay step? So if that is not set and you test this, here's how the test is going to go. Wait 2 days. Done. You're going to be like, wait a minute. I don't know if it's actually working. So that's what this checkbox is for. Skip delay when running a test or when this step is replayed. So now when you run that test, it'll run all the way through. All right, good times. As usual, you can find this demo on the automation demos section of the blog. So jump in and check that out. Are your orders taking too long to fulfill? Let's think about this from a philosophical perspective, right? What does that actually mean? What does that actually